Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel School of Automation. This is the part 2 of Selenium Basic Level 1. So today we'll learn about how to launch a browser and how we can navigate to a URL. So let's see the practical demo for all this. So in today's session we will cover launch the browser like Safari, Chrome, Firefox and navigate to the specific URL using these two methods provided by Selenium, where first one is the get method and second one is the to method. So now let's see the practical. Before starting the practical, I am assuming Java and Eclipse or IntelliJ is set up on your system. So here I am using IntelliJ IDE just to write the code. So for that, let me create a new Java project. So here I'm just clicking on new project and demo 2, and here I'm selecting Java. So let me create this. So by default it will create a sample Java project with one main class, and in this main class you can see one main method, and here we have to write all the code. So before writing the code, you can see these few default methods Java can provide. First of all, we have to provide the Selenium jar file and configure those jar file in this project. So let me download those jar file. So this is the official Selenium site. Under this download section, we can download latest jar file based upon programming language. So right now we are using Java, so we have to download this one. So let me click here. So this is already I have in my system, so I'm just canceling the download, and now let me add all those jar files in this project. For that I need to click here in file menu, and then I need to click here project structure, and under under modules I need to click dependency, and by using this plus icon I need to browse all these libraries. Those are related to Selenium. So under download section, this is the folder. So first of all these library I have to browse. Let me open it, and now again there is another folder that also we need to browse here. So this is lib folder, this is also we have to browse. So after browsing all these library, you need to simply click on apply and OK. Now it means you will see all the jar files available here under this external library. It means all these jar files having multiple methods, and those methods we can now use in order to write Selenium related script. So let me start. So first we will try to launch Chrome browser. For that we have to create WebDriver object, and this is the name of the object, and here we are just try to launch Chrome driver, then we have to write Chrome driver. So using this one line you can initialize the Chrome driver object. So this is object of WebDriver class, and WebDriver is a part of Selenium, right? So now because of we have attached all these library, we can access all the classes and we can access all the methods related to Selenium. So now using this driver I am just calling get method. So get method is basically used to open any URL in Selenium. So as a argument here we have to provide a string. So here I am calling get method, and here as a argument I have to provide a string which is URL URL of the site. So here I am just typing google.com. That's it. So and after opening the URL I am just adding some sleep time so that we can see the execution, and then finally I am closing the browser with the help of close method. This is another method provided by Selenium in order to close the browser. So here it's asking for exception. Yeah, so done. So now let me execute this one. Now you can see Chrome is launched. See, now it will navigate to the Google here, and now it will wait 5 seconds and then it will close the browser. Yep, it's done. Now you can see. Okay, now let's try to open the URL by using another method. So this is the first example, and now in this second example we will try to open try to open URL using another method, that is navigate.to. So in first case we are using driver.get method, but now we have to use another method, that is driver.navigate and then dot to. And again here, so to is a method which will accept either URL as a argument or string as a argument. So both option we can provide, either we can provide the URL or we can provide the string value in the form of URL. So here also I am just giving the Google URL only, and now let me try to execute this one again. So now you can see Chrome is started, it launched, and now it's open the Google. Yeah, and here it's waiting for 5 seconds because we have hard coded in our script. See, now it's closed. So basically in Selenium we can open a URL using these two methods, get and navigate.to. Okay, now let me try to open Firefox browser. So for that we have to create the object of WebDriver and initialize with Firefox driver class. And now with the help of this driver object we have to call again get method, and as a argument we have to provide one string value. So here I am providing again Google URL, and let me add wait also using thread.sleep, and then I'm closing the browser. Now let me execute this. So you can see Firefox is also launched and it's open up, and yeah, Google is also opened up, and now it's waiting for 5 seconds, then it will finally close the browser. Yep, it's done. And now let me try with third option, that is, sorry, before that we will try to open any URL in Firefox with second method that we have, that is driver.navigate.to. Again here I'm providing Google URL in the form of string. Yeah, now let me execute again. So you can see Firefox again launched using another method, and Google is open up. It's waiting for 5 seconds and then it will finally close. Yep, done. So now we have tried both the methods with Firefox also, and now let me try same two methods for Firefox as well. So for Firefox also we have to create again WebDriver object driver, and then we have to initialize Firefox class, sorry, Safari driver with new keyword. That's it. And now we have to call get method and then need to provide URL in the form of string. Here I'm providing Google URL, and again I'm adding the wait for 5 seconds, and then finally driver.close. Let me execute this one. Error here, it's saying right now remote execution is not enabled. Remote execution or remote automation is not allowed by default by Safari. So for that first of all we have to launch the Safari, then we have to go to the preferences, and under this advanced option we have to click this checkbox first, and now from develop menu we have to just allow remote automation. Now you can see allow automation is checked. Now it will not give any kind of error. Now let me execute this one again for you. Now you can see Safari is open up and Google is also open up. Now it's waiting, then it will close the browser. Yep. And now let me try the second way to open a URL. For that I need to, with the help of this driver object, I'm calling navigate method, then I'm calling to method, and in this to method I'm providing URL in the form of again string format. That's it. And now let me execute it. So now you can see this method is also working fine here, and it's closed now. Yeah. See the how we can configure libraries in Eclipse. So in Eclipse and IntelliJ little bit different. So here you can see how we can configure the library in Eclipse. For that you need to just right click on the project in left side, you can see, and then you need to open property option after clicking on, after right clicking, then property you need to select, then you need to select Java build path, and then you need to select library, and then you need to click add external library. Then simply you need to browse all the required Selenium libraries, and then simply you can click apply and close. Then automatically you will see all the attached library comes under here external library, so you can see here also like that. So that's all about today's session. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.